Hello guys, this is my first video assignment. Today we're going to be learning about quantum mechanics. Without further ado, let's get over with it. Quantum mechanics is a small branch of physics. It's a very big branch of physics, which helps us to understand the behavior of a particle in a subatomic and atomic stages. Well, in this quantum mechanics, we're going to be learning about four different theories, which consist of wave-particle duality, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, superposition, and quantum entanglement. Well, let's start with wave-particle duality. This is a theory that is proposed by de Broglie as the light as from the taking the light as perspective, as the light has the property to act as both wave and particle. What I meant to say is light acts as both wave and particle nature. It shows both of the nature of particle and wave. So it's impossible to know what kind of nature it's actually showing. That's the property of wave-particle duality. That is proposed by de Broglie, saying that every particle also behaves like every particle in the sense electrons and other particles also behave like both wave and particle nature. They also signify in wave and particle nature. So next one is uncertainty principle by Heisenberg. It's called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It states that you cannot actually pinpoint a position or a momentum of any particle when it's moving in a specific direction. That's what it specifies. Here, I want to take a specific example of a bee in a dark room. Well, if you just have to take a beam of light and try to find the bee, it's impossible to know its momentum. When you try to increase the range of the beam and try to know the position of the bee, that will decrease its momentum and vice versa. So that is Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and we are going to be talking about principle of superposition. Principle of superposition states that a quantum system that can exist into multiple states simultaneously, when observed, it will only settle to one state. Well, in quantum mechanics, there's a system can be multiple state into multiple systems simultaneously, and it can be definite and get only into one state as when observed. For example, let's just taking a consideration of a coin. When it spins, it shows both head and tail, whereas when it stops, it just shows either one of them. So that's very easy to understand. Like that, it's the same thing as principle of superposition. So like the last one, which is proposed by Einstein himself, quantum entanglement. This phenomenon is actually proposed by Einstein. It's a phenomenon where two or more particles are linked together, irrespective of the distance they are in. So this means, irrespective of the state of another particle, if one particle is disturbed, other particle will also be disturbed. In this case, something like which is connected to a bond which may disrupt one particle which is also related to another particle. So that's all for this physics assignment I got. I did a small part of quantum mechanics, where quantum mechanics itself is a big part of physics and very interesting part. So this is all I got. You can watch this video behind me I just made through. Hope you enjoy it.